Hello, everyone. Are you wondering about the average salary for an HVAC helper in the United States? Let's explore. The average annual gross salary for an HVAC helper in the United States is approximately $30,491, which translates to a monthly gross income of about $2,541. After accounting for federal taxes, the annual net income is roughly $24,000, or about $2,000 per month. Location significantly impacts earnings. For instance, in Redmond, Washington, HVAC helpers earn an average of $36,656 per year, while in Savannah, Georgia, the average annual salary is approximately $27,065. Experience also plays a role. Entry-level HVAC helpers with less than 1 year of experience earn about $25,000 annually, while those with over 8 years of experience can earn up to $36,000 per year. Education and specialized skills can further influence earnings, with higher qualifications potentially leading to increased pay. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching, and see you later. Goodbye.